How to fix Android phone slow working. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can fix your Android phone slow working. So go to gallery and you need to delete all the unnecessary pics and videos. Once you guys delete it, after that you need to go to settings. So I'll simply go to settings. Here you will go to apps. So I will simply click on apps. Now you will see a lot of things like app loaner, app manager and other things. So simply click on app management. So here you will see in correct way and lines your all mobile apps. So here you will simply delete all those apps that you think are unnecessary and that take a lot of storage. So simply you need to click on any app you want to uninstall. And you need to simply click on uninstall. Once you click on uninstall, now click on OK, and that app will be uninstalled. So you will follow that process till you bridge all unnecessary apps. Once you do that, after that, your phone speed will be faster. Thanks for watching.